Hi, welcome to the IMOHA Podcast. This is your host, Owen, and this is the trailer of our new podcast. So, salamat kayo sa pagbisita ni na channel and salamat na nasaad ka ni na channel. So, in this podcast, we will be talking about different kinds of stories, ideas, or lessons, or maybe the realities, or even mga kabuang na as long as na lang tayo makatunan in every kabuang na. And we will get it from different experiences. Maybe from my real life experiences, or maybe from the other people's perspective, or maybe gikan sa imo ang mga experiences, no? Ganahan sa may makadungog sa imo ha. And we will deliver our messages as creative as possible and as educational as possible. So please, join us para dagan ta mag-enjoy na podcast. So, expect mo na English o Bisaya or maybe some of it are Tagalog because dili tanan na mga English na pwede na to ma-translate na to Bisaya and also dili sad tanan na Bisaya na ma-translate na to into English. So, we encourage people to be natural lang the way to mo storya. Bisag magkasayop-sayop ta, it's okay lang no as long as masabtan na kita. And I know not all people will appreciate this podcast because not all people have the same interest. Ang uban na ganahan gaming, ang uban travels, or entertainment, foods, fitness, or anything. And makasabot na gitaanan because we cannot serve all people. And that's okay because ganahan ta sa mga tao na honest na makaingon sila na sorry Owen ha, kanina podcast dili ni para sa ako or kaninga channel dili ni para sa ako. Which is I think makasabot na kita na and magpasalamat ng gihapon ta nila and salamat sa ilang time, salamat for checking in and thank you for the attention and thank you na nasaag ka nga channel. So we are looking for those people who will benefit this podcast and we want to serve them and we want to grow with them and hopefully ikaw na sad na kay nasaag ka nga channel. Kung nama gani mga instances na may buhaton or manglaba, manglimpyo or anything no na pwede lang mo makagamit sa inyong headset or pwede mo magamit og speaker, then you can tune in this podcast. Let's talk the reality in a positive way and then let's learn from it. So if you want to hear more of this channel, then please, we are available in most big social media platform and we upload our episodes every week. And if you think this channel is worth naman sad sa inyong kind of notification, then please join the community. Like, share, follow, and make your statement on those boxes para kabalo sad mi sa inyong ganahan. And we encourage also to talk about the topics that you like the most. Like for example, kung na may mga partners, na may mga uyab, na may mga asawa, you can talk with that one kung sa mga topics na inyong gusto. And so katong mga walay mga uyab, you can talk with your best friends, workmates, classmates siguro or mga ubang mga loved ones no or maybe inyong mga anak or pwede sa inyong mga silingan no or inyong mga igsoon or inyong mga kaila na nadin ha. And once again, salamat na nasaag ka ng channel and thank you for listening and I hope to see you the next episode, okay? Bye-bye.